Hello everyone, it's been a while. So I've been away for a while, both because it was summer and also because I had some personal things that I had to sort out, and also because YouTube demonetized my channel for some unknown reason. So that was a downer. But in today's tutorial, we are going to analyze this microphone. This is called Piezo. I don't know if I pronounce it well. It's from an Italian company called Organic Audio, and they've been giving to me this microphone to test it, to make a review and to make some music. The first two things that really struck me about this microphone is that, first of all, it's got a magnet inside, so it sticks to any metal surface. And the second thing is that it's an hydrophone microphone, which means you can insert into a body of water and it won't damage. So in the old-fashioned style, I will always go around the city, record sounds, process them into Ableton, and trying to make some composition with it. So let's have a look. My understanding of Organic Audio is that they are an organic company that emphasizes natural and organic principle, focusing on natural process. Their ethos is closely aligned with principle found in nature, and also their logo symbolizes a connection to nature, growth, and environmental awareness. Okay, so here we're in the studio, and I've been recording quite a lot of stuff with the microphone. And forgive me if you can hear a subtle sound of the fan in the background. It's because it's really hot in here and I need some air. So here's the main result. And with some other music in the background that I put together with the contact microphone. So I made a little composition, adding some synth sound as well. But the main things is the contact microphone, the Piezo, as again, forgive me if I pronounce it wrong. So these are all the microphone without anything else. So I just chop, cut and paste various recording of this microphone. Some of them effects, some of them have delays, some of them have reverbs, some of them are pan, hard left, hard right, some in the middle. So there is all sort of effect that I placed in various channels. So the first one here is just so as you can see from the figures, I use a fan, a knife, my fridge with the ketchup inside, the microwave, And I just put water as well in a container, so you got this sound here as well. So here there is a reverb, obviously. Here I was tapping the radiator. And then, so this one is the telephone, old school German telephone that I found on a film set while I was working. Then I've got here, so very little clicks with a delay, with an LFO that is using, you know, is adding a lot of feedback. Then I've got here bass lines, basically. You know, I was tapping into more low-end energy with the content mic. Baseline frequencies. Then again, I also put the whole recordings into an arpeggiator. And this one doesn't have a video because basically I put the piece of audio inside the simpler, and with the simpler basically you lose the video, and put an arpeggiator. And this function as a, but I think that is not really fitting the recording. And obviously, I created the beat and some, you know, melody and bass lines. So this one has got nothing to do with the microphone. It's just me wanted to put some composition to sustain all the microphone recording. And then I was able to create a melody as well with the sound of the fan. So basically, using a simpler. So here. So it goes like this. Well, it doesn't really fit the beat, but you know. It doesn't fit the melody of the beat that I created with the synthesizer, but it fits just the beat itself. And then if you add all the rest, and that's something that you can create using, you know, sound picked up from anywhere. You can just transfer this to MIDI into a simpler, add a chorded reverb, and then you can just play around. And obviously you can change the presets of the chord plugin. But that's the case. But I like the melody by itself, but together with the synthesizer stuff that I created, it wasn't really nice. And then lastly, this one I was able to use a resonator with this 3-finger tap, but there's no video for this. And here it's just I'm tapping with the radiator, and I add a delay. And then I think I have an introduction here. If I solo all the microphones, so it's got this very glitchy quality in it that feels very pleasant as well to listen as a brain massage. And then I've got another, I use the sound of the fan a lot because I have a fan here, even though you can not see it, but so with the microphone I went to record this, and you cannot see the video for this one because when you put audio into MIDI, then you lose the video. But that's the fan, the sound of the fan. Pressing on and then let it go, and then increase the speed. And you see that it's got this ominous effect on it. So with the simpler, I just go towards here. And you have this powerful horn that can be used in film production as well. So the sound, you know, I just increased some of the low frequency, some of the high frequency as well to give a bit of sparkle. A decapitator from Sound Toys, and Valhalla Vintage Verb, which is one of my favorite verbs. But this is not part of the composition because it was just a sound on its own. It was very nice. And I think another thing that I've recorded as a video is these water, just drips of water inside the tank with the microphone in it. And a bunch of delays and reverb to give. This, for example, could be the introduction for the track. So it goes very well. So that's the composition I was able to create in 2 days, basically. You know, just chopping bits and pieces here and there, and just place them as audio clips in Ableton Grid. So here, for example, here is a raw recording of the microphone. So let's just play here. So that's a raw recording of the jostle on the back of the fan. That's another fan. I have a lot of fans. And here, increase the speed, and you get like really powerful rattling vibration sound. And then you just switch off and the video goes off. So that's a small composition I was able to make with the jostle. And yeah, I will leave this project on my Patreon as well, with all these files, with the song as well, so that, you know, if, you know, my Patreon want to download this, they will be able to download it, and I will put the link in the description.